something out of the box. And as we, people living in urban areas, have so many apps within our reach, within our day-to-day life which we use. So we thought, why not make an app that can be used by the people living in the rural areas also. So we thought it would be a payback time for the farmers who are the main food producers of our country. So we thought this would be a payback time for them, and hence comes Kisan Suvidha into the picture. Next. So what exactly is Kisan Suvidha? Kisan Suvidha is a mobile app which is whose main motto is to increase the farmer's productivity. So it's mainly like a farmer's handbook. And what social innovation thing we did here? So the first thing is to increase the crop productivity. So as we all know, India is a land famous for its agriculture, and it's more famous for its weather unpredictability also, unpredictability of the weather. So we try to give a solution for this problem. So we are monitoring our weather with this app, where the weather would get monitored, and which would be helpful for the farmer to take the required necessary steps, what has to be done. When it's going to rain in the next 3 days, what steps can be done for the farmer to take for that particular crop in that particular season. And when it's going to be sunny, what has to be done by the farmer for that exact time for that particular crop. So we have tried to provide a solution for that problem. And the second point is Scientist Connect. So we have a facility to connect with the scientists who are experts in farming, experts in agriculture, so that if the users, that is the farmers, would face any kind of problem, they can connect to the scientists and get the required solutions, according to their problems. So the next thing would be removing the dependencies of the middlemen. So farmers, as they grow the crops, they need to sell their crops to the middlemen. So what we thought is, in near future, once we collaborate with government along with this app, so what happens then? This app would reach to more number of people for the people living in the rural areas. So they can get, they can get acquainted with all the prices, with all the crop prices for that particular season in that particular time. So if they get to know the prices, they can sell their crops directly without using the middlemen. So they can save their profits to themselves. So that is one point which we try to do, which we try to incorporate. And the next social innovation thing what we have tried to provide is share the farmer success stories. So what happens once you share the farmer success stories within this app? So people sharing ideas is always very innovative, and it is always very useful for them. So once the farmers would share their ideas to other people, if they have, if they got any problem, and if they had overcome with a solution, so they can share the success stories, and people can learn from their stories, and when they face the same problem again, they can use that idea. So these are the 4 social innovation themes that we incorporated in our app. So next slide. Coming to the demo screenshots. So we have the screenshots here, one in English, one in Hindi, as we try to incorporate all other regional languages also, because once the user uses this app, his location would be identified, and based on his location, the app would come in that specific regional language, keeping in view that all the farmers are not literate and all the farmers don't know English. So these are the demo screenshots, and all the functionalities would be explained by Meenakshi.
Hello, good morning everyone. Now we come to the social economic impact of the solution. Now whenever we try to provide a solution to a particular problem, the gravity of the solution is basically measured in terms of its scalability. Anything will start from base 0. So how can the solution be taken forward to the next level in order to make it truly far reachable and basically useful for the intended audience? So talking about the social economic impacts, the first I would like to explain the basic problem which we face. For example, if we are talking about soil type in a particular region, if we consider a field, the soil would change even within the radius of, for example, 2 to 3 kilometers. So we did not have, we could not actually gather the accurate data. So this puts forward our first point. Like in collaboration with the Hitachi group of companies which are looking forward to venturing into the IT agriculture, we can have basically the sensors installed in the fields and all those kind of data if we get. Then this app would be very farmers with exactly the solution they require. Currently, we just have the higher level implementation. Then the next point comes is the Scientist Connect, which Sindhusha just now explained. Now, with the Scientist Connect, see, for this app to function, we require a smartphone. If a smartphone has a camera, so the farmer who is facing a particular disease in the crop, in his field, he can actually click a picture, upload it into the portal, and it would be directly connected with the scientist who can provide direct consultation on which type of crop diseases is it. If it is a general one, that would exactly save the time latency and would prevent the crop from further damage. Then the next is higher crop yield, which Sindhusha just now explained, and the soil preservation with right amount of fertilizers and pesticides. That is, we provide a complete farmer's handbook. If a farmer is planning to plant rice, so rice has basically got 9 phases of plantation. In each particular phase, what exactly the fertilizers and pesticides he should be using and the exact amount would be given to him. So this is our social economic impact on the society. Now this is basically chart showing a farmer who is basically facing different kind of problems in his field. So the first one is unpredictable weather. India is a land of unpredictability. When the rain comes, when the hailstorm comes, it's just unpredictable. Next one is crop diseases, that is the epidemics. Then lack of knowledge about the best practices, crop pricing, that is the dependency on the middlemen, and the lack of proper connectivity with the government. So a farmer who is with our Kisan Suvidha app would basically confront this unpredictable weather problem by, for example, see, weather app provides several features like rain, this temperature, everything. Now all the crops do not require all the weather parameters to be monitored. So we have incorporated a basic filtering mechanism in which we only monitor those weather parameters which are applicable or would be affecting that particular crop phase. The third one is Scientist Connect, I just now explained, and the direct bridge between the government and the farmers, which would be, if the app would be collaborated between the farmers and the government, all those direct subsidies and the government policies would be directly reaching to the farmers. Complete handbook of farmers' best practices, then the real-time alert for the crop diseases. If it is going to be an epidemic, the farmer can get an alert on the run and he can use the relevant pesticides and fertilizers in order to prevent his crop. So this is it about our app, and our team name is Bego Ones and the app is Kisan Suvidha. So please, I would request humbly to all of you to vote for us. Thank you.